Hello all, myself Christy Verghese. More details of mine are given here, and this is the book I have written for CSER Net Part A. If you are searching for printed study material for CSER Net Part A, this is currently the bestseller book available in Amazon and Flipkart. These are the other books I have written, and this is how you can be part of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. And to attend daily free classes, you can be part of the Unacademy profile Christy Verghese. You can just search in your Unacademy application or Unacademy website, and you can find almost 250 plus free classes and about 18 full courses or plus courses you can access by plus or iconic subscription. So if you want to take plus subscription, you can use this referral code. Today we are discussing, or in this lecture we are discussing 2020 November question, physical science question. This lecture is part of the lecture series explaining different questions of different science stream of November 2020 exam. And this question, 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G are sitting in a row. E and B are sitting adjacent to each other. F is sitting between D and G. If C is sitting 4 places to the left, this sentence is the most important sentence to get the answer as soon as possible. Who among the following cannot be sitting at the center? C is sitting 4 places to the left of F, and we know that total there are only 7 people. So we can say there are 7 seats like this. 7 seats like this. The middle seat will be the 4th seat from the left or 4th seat from the right. And the question is asking who cannot be sitting at the center. As C is sitting 4 places to the left of F means, if C is even in the leftmost position, F can sit only on the 5th position from the left. If this is 1st position, 2nd position, 3rd position, 4th position and 5th position, F is sitting 5th position from the left, we can say. That means F cannot be on the middle. Now you may be thinking that what if C is not on the left? Still the same problem holds. If C is here, F can be here only. If C is here, F can be here only, because C is sitting 4 places to the left of F. That means there should be 3 people in between C and F. For that gap to occur, definitely F cannot be anywhere before 5th position. That is why F is the person who cannot sit at the center. So option D, F is the answer. And if you want to access my full courses in Unacademy, these are the 2 new full courses starting from February 1st. February 1st we will have a course, booster course for basic math and arithmetic with Vedic maths. 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. is the live course, and the 8th of February will be starting complete course on general aptitude for CSER Net 2021. That is a full-length course for upcoming CSER Net, covering complete theory, previous year questions, practice questions of the general aptitude section. The timing of the course is 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. These are more details of the course. This course is designed especially for the upcoming CSER Net exam, and you can download the notes after every class as PDF, and there will be separate doubt clearing sessions also. And all my courses are equally useful for life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science CSER Net aspirants. This is the complete schedule of the course. 60 lectures, total 90 hours. Each lecture will be 1.5 hours. And this is how you can be part of the Unacademy Plus platform to attend this course and to attend all the other courses of mine and all the other courses of other educators, that is your subject educators also. CSER UGC Net subscription with the referral code CC10. Use the maximum credits available in your profile to get maximum discount for your subscription. And this is the other course, Vedic math course or basic math and arithmetic learning course. Those people who fear math, this course will be useful for improving your arithmetic skills and improving your basic concepts of math. This is more details of the course, and learning these courses you can do your subject part arithmetic steps also faster. And this is the complete schedule of this course. 46 lectures of 1.5 hour each, 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. from February 1st till March 31st. So both these courses I welcome you to attend. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.